Hi, welcome to Update Tech Skills. My name is Darshan. I'm an IT trainer. In this video, I am going to explain about how to control multiple sheets at a time in one workbook. In that case, we are able to protect multiple sheets at a time using VBA code, and we can unprotect and we can unhide multiple sheets as well. The first one, if I want to delete something in this particular sheet, I'm able to delete this. Control Z to come back. So if you want to protect all the sheets, just click on that protect tabs. That's it. So I'm trying to delete it now. It's protected. If I want to cross check with the other sheet, it's protected. Now if you want to unprotect, just go to the Visual Basic, and here is a small program, unprotect all tabs. Just play this button, it's unprotected. I'm going to cross check this, delete. It's unprotected. Now if you want to bring back multiple sheets at a time, it means if you want to unhide multiple sheets, let me hide multiple sheets here. Example, holding the control key, I'm going to hide these multiple sheets. Right click and hide. So right click, unhide, there are multiple sheets hidden. Okay, I'll just click on this button. Okay, I got that multiple sheets at a time. So in this way we can protect or we can unprotect and we can unhide multiple sheets at a time. Overall, we are going to control multiple sheets at a time using VBA code. So how to write the program? Let's begin. I have updated the Excel file related to this topic. Please find in the description. I'll go to the developer and Visual Basic. I don't have any model now. I'm going to insert a model here. I'm going to double click on this model. That's it. I'm going to write the macro. We need to start with sub procedure. The first task number is protect all the sheets at a time. So I'm going to give a macro name called sub protect all tabs. Okay. First, we need to define with one variable name. To control all the sheets, we need to give one nickname. So using that nickname, we are able to control all the worksheets of this workbook. So define with dim worksheet. Worksheet as worksheet. It means I need to control all the worksheets. Here we are going to declare that using this WS, this is the nickname. Using this nickname, I wanted to control all the worksheets of this workbook. So for each WS, in this workbook dot worksheets. So whatever the worksheets are there in this workbook, I am able to control using this nickname called WS. I want to protect all the sheets at a time. So WS is nothing but all the worksheets of this workbook now. If you want to cross check, we'll just bring immediate window by pressing Ctrl G, or else go to the view, bring that immediate window. Debug dot print ws dot name. If I just run this macro in that immediate window, now I can see all the worksheets of this workbook, summary, dashboard, master, whatever worksheets I'm having. If anything, a new sheet, if I'm inserted, also it will carry. So whatever the workbooks are there, so that nothing but now it became WS. Now I'm going to comment on this debug.print ws.name. I want to protect all the sheets. So just ws.protect. If you want to give a password, give one space, and then in place of this password, within the quotation, test. That's my password, and I'm going to protect it. Switch to Excel. I'm going to assign that macro to this button. Right click, assign macro, protect all tabs. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this. I can check with other sheet. I'm going to check with this one. I'm able to delete. So here as well, I can do anything. But now once I click on this protect tabs, that's it. Now I'm going to cross check it here. Protected. Then master data. Protected. Data. Protected. So if I want to unprotect this, so we need to right click and unprotect sheet. It will ask the password to unprotect. If we want to unprotect at a time, so that is also possible. Just again go to the Visual Basic, just write a simple macro, or else we could have changed it here itself. Instead of writing protect, we need to write unprotect. To become familiar with writing this type of codes, just write a simple macro, unprotect all tabs. Everything is same. Dim. First we need to define with one variable. So I was taking WS, so we can take one different one here. That's not mandatory, we can give any nickname. Next, dim sh, nothing but sheet, as I need to control worksheets. How many worksheets I wanted to control. Here we need to declare that for each sh in this workbook dot worksheet, all the worksheets of this workbook. Now immediately we need to close this next sh for each loop, and next sh dot unprotect. When I give one exact space, it will ask the password. I just give one test. This is the password. It has to unprotect with this password. Then I'm going to play this here itself. That's it. I'm going to cross check it now. I'm able to delete. It means it's unprotected. So right click here. It became protect sheet. So it means it's unprotected. If I want to delete this, it will. So in that case, we are going to control multiple sheets. Task number 3 is unhide multiple sheets at a time. Okay, if in one Excel might be 50 to 100 Excel sheets are hidden. If we want to bring those back in Excel, we have to do one by one manually. But writing a VBA codes, simple, just 4 to 5 lines, using same for each loop. Again, I'm going to open that Visual Basic. Here I'm going to write one more sub procedure called sub unhide tabs. Switch to single procedure view, and I'm going to delete this immediate window. Okay. Again, we need to define with one variable name, dim sh, as I need to control worksheets. How many worksheets I want to control? All the worksheets. So for each sh in this workbook dot worksheets, we need to close this for each loop by writing next sh. If we wrote this next sh, it will loop each through sheet till the last one. If we didn't write that next sh, will face an error. Now I want to unhide multiple sheets. It means all the tabs. So just sh dot unhide, sh dot visible equals to true. I want to see that all the hidden sheets. So sh dot visible equals to true. I'm going to hide manually holding the control. There are multiple sheets, right click and hide it. That's it. So right click and unhide. There are multiple sheets are hidden. So now I'm going to assign that macro to this button. Right click, assign macro, unhide tabs. So if I click on this button, I got that back, means multiple sheets. So in this way, we are able to control multiple sheets at a time using that for each loop. Fine, I'll take a new topic in the next video. Please do subscribe and support. If you like the video, it means you will share it to other people. Thanks for watching this video.